Hey, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna be making an absolutely delicious buffalo chicken sandwich with a blue cheese sauce to go on top, and that looks absolutely phenomenal. Now, you know I like to save my money, so I got some chicken thighs with the skin on and the bone in. Now, if you go with boneless chicken thighs, you know they're gonna cost a little bit more per pound, but we're gonna remove that skin and we can use that, you know, for a fried skins recipe, and then we can take that bone out, you know, and then we can use that for some bone broth. You know, think about all the recipes that you need some chicken stock for. This is absolutely why cents make dollars and dollars make cents. Now we got our ingredients right here. That'll be in the description box below. So we got to season this chicken. We got a little bit of buttermilk, and we're gonna pour this on top of this chicken, get everything incorporated, and then we're gonna let this chill out in the fridge for 30 minutes. And then while that's chilling in the fridge for 30 minutes, we're gonna make this blue cheese sauce. We got some mayo, we got some salt and pepper, then going in with a little buttermilk and a half lemon squeeze. Now here's the key right here. Whatever blue cheese, however much you like, go ahead and put that in there, give it a little mix, and then there you have it. You got an absolutely delicious blue cheese sauce. Throw that in the refrigerator, and now we gotta fry this chicken, right? So we're going back, seasoning our flour with some Cajun seasoning. We got some smoked paprika. Then we going in with some onion powder, and then we're gonna hit it with some garlic powder. And then after that, you already know you gotta hit it with some crushed black pepper. However much pepper you like, then that's what you go with. Now we're gonna give this a mix, and then you in the game, fam. Now all we gotta do is take this chicken, get it coated with that seasoned flour. Now you wanna make sure all the cracks and crevices is covered by flour, because you want that thing absolutely crispy. Like I said, with that seasoned flour, it's gonna be absolutely delicious. And you in the game, fam. Now we got our oil ready to go, 350 degrees, and we gonna cook this chicken, you know, till it's golden brown, 165 degrees internal. So as you can see right here, the beauty of editing, they looking pretty good. So we're gonna give it a flip, let that thing cook, you know, on that other side. Like I said, you want that chicken to be absolutely done, because you don't want nobody sick in your house, right? You want something delicious, and you want it cooked thoroughly. Now after it's done and it's reading at 165 degrees, take that bad boy out. Look at that, it's golden brown. Now we're gonna make that buffalo sauce. We got some butter, we got some garlic, then we're gonna be adding that hot sauce. That's about a cup or so. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add that chicken in there. Now you can add cayenne pepper for some extra spice, but I'm gonna leave that out. You know, I just want it to be like a little mild. Now you can toss it, you can dip it, whatever. I'm gonna dip mine because I want to keep that integrity of that chicken, right? That chicken crust. Now we got that sauce out, we got that toasted bun. Now we're gonna dress this bad boy up, and look at that right there. Look at that chicken thigh. That looks absolutely delicious. And fam, you already know we gotta add some more of that blue cheese sauce on top, because we can't be stingy with it. This is our house, this is our show, this is our kitchen, so do what you want. And now we're gonna add that top on there, and then look at that right there. You got an absolutely delicious buffalo chicken sandwich with homemade blue cheese sauce. That's absolutely delicious. What we gotta do, fam, we gotta get this bad boy a taste test. Hey, cheers. Let me go in for another bite of that. Got my mouth all messed up, but that's good, fam. My focus, fam. Hey, I appreciate you, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Peace.